Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you HP Scanjet Pro 2600F1 scanner unbox, installation and full guide. So stay tuned. First of all, we will unbox the scanner. Here you see all the equipment, adapter, power cable and USB cable. And this is the scanner which is protected well. We will remove all the stickers. Set the paper guide tray. We will remove the sticker from inner side. We will connect the power cable and USB cable. Then we will press power button. And here you see the control panel. We will customize using this panel. If you need to cancel the scan, you will press cross button. This button is a selection button. Press this button to go to the PDF, JPG, mail, cloud and duplex. This is scan button. And paper feeder. Scanner setup complete. Now we will download the driver from browser. We will write the scanner name and download driver. Click the first one and here you see the driver. We will select first one which is recommended. Click and download completed. We will double click upon the driver. Yes. Continue. Click the check mark. Next. Select manual settings. Next. There are three options: Wi-Fi, wired network and USB. I will select USB and next. Enable default. Yes. Next. Finish. So we will scan from the desktop. For that we will click the icon and no need to download firmware. For that we will click remind me later and select maximum day. Okay. Now we will customize the scanner from here, but default is better. For that we will not change and check mark the preview option and save. So preview is ready. If you want to rotate, you can use this button. And if you want to change the color, you will use this button. And if you want to scan multiple, you will use this button plus and added the document. This is manual scanning system. Now click the save button and it will save. I will use auto scan. For that we will feed the page into the tray and press the scan button. All the page will scan automatically. Or press the scan button and it will scan automatically. After finish the scan, the PDF will run on the desktop. Here it is opening. This is result. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.